How to use your alcohol coil burner. All you need is a small hand torch, as pictured, or larger torch if you prefer, and 91% isopropyl alcohol from your local pharmacy or supermarket. Start off by filling with the 91% alcohol. Keep the level of alcohol below the copper tubing in the jar. I equip the jar with enough wick to put the coil on a larger jar if preferred. Using the torch, go back and forth on the coils until lit. It usually takes about 30 seconds with a small handheld torch and can be done faster with a larger torch. A regular lighter is not suitable for this. Now that it is lit, it can be used for several purposes, such as lighting, heating small areas, light cooking, to heat water for tea, coffee, etc. When cooking, do not let the flame come into direct contact with your pot. Keep it just below. It will burn roughly 1 ounce of alcohol per hour. When you're finished, you just simply blow it out like a candle. And that is all there is to it. There are also other videos around the internet if you would like to learn more.